Hey folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how I fix bot traffic on a Shopify store using Cloudflare. If you are new to my channel, every single Friday, I post videos to help other Shopify developers and freelancers learn more about Shopify and how to fix different things in Shopify and all that good stuff. If that seems like something that you're interested in, I highly recommend you check out the rest of my channel. Now, in this video, thinking about Cloudflare, it is an important one because Cloudflare helps filter out all that bad bot traffic that seems to be really popping up on Shopify sites recently. In this video, we are going to go over how to set up Cloudflare and connect your domain, how not to break anything when connecting your name servers and domain in Cloudflare, and most importantly, how to filter out bot traffic using Cloudflare. All right, let's hop into it. So now over here inside of Cloudflare, we want to do a couple of things. We're going to connect our existing domain. We're going to quick scan for the DNS records, and we're not going to block the crawlers. The reason why we don't want to block, the AI crawlers is because obviously we want AI to, be trained on our website, but we will set up some stuff where we will block, maybe unsolicited bots and so on. So we'll instruct AI bot traffic with the robots.txt. Awesome. But over here, we will connect our domain. My domain name is tryflexi.com. We're going to quick scan for the DNS records. So I'm just going to hit continue here. Awesome. I will just select the free plan for now. Great. So everything was quick scanned over here, which is awesome. The one thing that we'll want to do here is continue to activation. We will not proxy this over here. We'll just keep it to DNS only, and then we'll adjust these records over here. So we'll hit continue to activation. Now at this point, you may be worried about replacing your name servers due to your email, but don't worry. Name servers are like the phone book for the domain. Right now, the phone book is hosted by whatever host you are using, but we're simply switching the phone book to Cloudflare, so Cloudflare can direct visitors and filter out bots before they reach the website. So what we're not changing is we're not moving the website, we're not moving email, we're not moving hosting. We're essentially just kind of like setting up a little bit of a wall between the website and the domain so that Cloudflare can block out all those bad bots. So what I'm going to do is just pull up my host. I am using GoDaddy currently, so I'll pull up GoDaddy over here. Now in GoDaddy, we will just have to replace the name servers, so I will go over to name servers here, and then I will hit change name servers, and then select I'll use my own name servers. So I'll just copy over these name servers here, and I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to hit continue. Then awesome, our name servers are all hooked up. I'm just gonna hit I updated my name servers. So in Cloudflare, it should detect the change. So check name servers. This might just take a few moments here. It does say a few hours, but honestly, it should be pretty quick. So while this is pending over here, we do just want to edit a few of these records to make O2O work. If you're not familiar with O2O, it means orange to orange. I'll just pull up a page here for Cloudflare. And this is essentially what we are setting up. And essentially orange to orange is a specific traffic routing configuration where traffic routes through two Cloudflare zones. The first Cloudflare zone is owned by customer 1, and the second Cloud zone layer is owned by customer 2, who's considered a SaaS provider. So that's really just a fancy way of saying that we are like using Cloudflare as a bit of a shield for Shopify here. So in order to make this work with Shopify, over here we have cname www and then shops.myshopify.com. We're going to actually edit this a record to be a cname record over here. So let's just edit that over here. So we're going to just change this to a cname. We are going to keep this as tryflexi.com, and we are going to reference shops.myshopify.com and paste that in there, and then we are going to hit save. Okay, awesome. Then you can see the little Shopify symbol pop up next to both of the shops.myshopify.com. So now once the name servers are connected, which it's still pending up here, we have these proxied. Everything else, including email, is just ran through DNS only, so we shouldn't have any issues there. And Cloudflare should pretty immediately start to protect our site, which is awesome. Now, if you're interested in learning more techniques inside of Cloudflare on how to protect your site against bots, let me know in the comments and I can make a follow-up video. I just wanted to keep this as a simple integration guide with Shopify and Cloudflare. And just by even doing this short integration here, you should already start to see some of the benefits of Cloudflare blocking your bots.